we are thrilled to unveil a design that embodies modern living, blending openness, elegance, and comfort, presenting a stunning 4-bedroom apartments located in the heart of Bashundhara, Dhaka. This apartment redefines contemporary living with its open plan layout. The formal living, dining, living area, and dry kitchen flow seamlessly into one another, creating a spacious and inviting ambience. Thoughtfully designed, this space can also be separated when privacy or functionality is needed, offering flexibility for both intimate family moments and social gatherings. The design palette is rooted in earthy beige tones, accented by natural materials such as warm wood and textured stone. Smart lighting enhances the space, creating a perfect balance between functionality and aesthetics, ensuring every corner feels welcoming and sophisticated. The apartment's decluttered design focuses on cleanliness and simplicity, while maintaining a cozy and serene environment. It's a harmonious blend of modern elegance and natural elements, providing a sanctuary where the family can unwind and connect. Stay tuned to experience the final transformation of the modern, open, and beautifully crafted space. Thank you for being with us.